Now I want to share with you few questions, few problems related to the angles which are not in the first quadrant. That is the type of angles we have discussed other than that. That is, if first find the value of first sine of minus 750 degree, cos of 210 degree, tan square of minus 420 degree. Solution, if I talk about first part, the first part is sine of minus 750 degree. Our first motive, our first purpose, our first step, that we must remove the negative from the angle. We know that sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. So that's why sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. That's why what we can say, sine of minus 750 degree is equals to minus of sine 750 degree. We have released the sign of negative from here to the right hand side. Now minus of sine 750 degree can be written as minus of sine, that is, we can write it as 90 into what plus something. So it is 90 into 8, that is 720, and if I add 720 plus 30, so I can write the value of sine of 750 degree as minus of sine 90 into 8 plus 30. If I see that we are landing in which quadrant, 90 into 8, this is 90 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 90 into 8 means 2 complete rounds, and then plus 30, which is definitely falling in the first quadrant. And for the first quadrant, we always take all the values positive. I cannot rule out this negative sign, it is already, so this is minus sine 30 degree. But sometime if this number is odd, multiple of odd, then the answer will reverse. Sine will go to cos, cos will go to sine, tan will go to cot, cot will go to tan, sec will go to cosec, and cosec will go to sec. So this is minus of sine 30 degree, definitely minus of half. This is the answer of sine of minus 750 degree. Same I can also explain you here, that in place of taking 8, I can take 9. So this shape of the question will convert to minus of sine 90 into 9 minus 60. It is still 9 9s are 81. 810 degree minus 60 degree is 750 degree. But in this situation, what will happen? This negative I am not going to rule out. This will remain negative. Angle is lying in the first quadrant, but it is multiple 9, odd multiple. So that's why we will say sine will convert to cos, and I will write it is minus of cos 60 degree. So this value will get convert as minus of half. So I can adopt any of the method, but the value of the trigonometry will not change. Similarly, you can find the value of cos 210 and tan square of minus 420 degree. If I explain you the second part, that is the cos of 210 degree, how we can find. So in order to find the value of cos of 210, what we simply do, we will write the cos of 210 degree is equals to cos of 90 into 2 plus 30, that is 90 into 2 180 plus 30 is 210, which become 90 into 2, that means even multiple, so cos will remain cos 30 degree. I would like to check its sign, because 210 degrees angle is exceeding 180, falling in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant cos is always negative. So I need to put here a sign of negative. Hence answer of cos 210 degree become minus of root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Similarly, I can share with you the value of the third part, that is how to calculate the value of tan square of minus 420 degree. So if I go to check this third part, it is tan square of minus 420 degree, which can be definitely written as tan of minus 420 degrees whole square, not the whole square of degree but overall value is whole square. Tan of minus theta is known as minus tan theta. So this become minus tan of 420 degree and its whole square gives us tan square of 420 degree. Now I can write it as tan square of 90 into, this is 90 into 4, 360, 90 into 4, 360, 360 plus 60, I can write here 60. 90 into 4, you can check, it is this line and plus something first quadrant. In first quadrant every value is positive. So this become tan square of 60, reason being it is 4. So 10 will not change, 10 will remain 10. Answer of tan 60 we know root 3 its square, that gives us the answer of 3. So this way we can solve infinite number of problems where negative angle and the approach of after school to college and changing of the sign with the 90 into even, then direct, and if 90 into odd, the value needs to be reversed. For sine cos, cos sine, tan cot, cot for tan, sec will go to cosec and cosec will go to sec.